In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time to a 12-hour format in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having your charts display time in a format you're comfortable with is essential for effective analysis. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you understand each step clearly and thoroughly. First things first, you need to head over to TradingView. Open your preferred web browser, then type in www.tradingview.com and hit enter. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted with an interface showcasing various tools and charts that TradingView has to offer. Take a moment to explore if you're new, or jump straight to the task at hand. Next, you'll want to locate the Products menu. This is usually found at the top of the TradingView interface. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select Chart to open the charting tool. This is where you're going to make the time format change. Once your chart is open and loaded on your screen, the next step is to right-click anywhere within your chart area. This action will bring up a context menu, offering various customization options to tailor your chart to fit your preferences. From the options that appear, click on Settings. This will open the Settings menu, a critical hub for all the customizations you can make in TradingView according to your needs. After opening the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu within this window and look for the option that says Scales and Lines. This is where we'll be able to modify how time is displayed on your chart. Once you're in Scales and Lines, you want to look for the Time Hours Format section. It's within this area that you can decide how your time data will appear. Currently, it might be set to a 24-hour format, which can be less intuitive for some traders. Click on Time Hours Format to reveal the options available. You'll typically see both 12-hour and 24-hour options presented here. To change the format, simply click on 12 hours. This will switch your display to the more familiar AM/PM format, making it easier to read and work with for those who prefer it. Finally, to save this new setting, click on the OK button. This will apply your preference, updating the charts instantly with the 12-hour format. Now, when you view your charts, the time will be displayed in this format, reflecting your choice. And there you have it. Your chart's time format is now set to 12 hours. This adjustment can make time-sensitive trading decisions much easier, aligning with your daily rhythm. Whether it's capturing that early morning market movement or reacting to evening fluctuations, you're ready